to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing some supplies that BEEBEECRAFT sent to me through their YouTube program, which you can apply to if you have over 100 subscribers. So I'll link it down below if you want to go check it out. Yeah, so let's get started. The first thing they sent me were these iridescent star beads. It's only 10 and they're quite small, so I expected them to be a little bigger, but I should have read the dimensions on their website, so that's just me being stupid. The next thing are these pliers and their round nose, which is, I believe, like the best pliers that you can get for jewelry making. So next I ordered some gold earring hooks because I wanted to make earrings, obviously. Kind of self-explanatory, but yeah, they're really cute and pretty, and they're like the perfect shade of gold. Like I just love them. They're so pretty. Next, I got these crystal beads, which are really cute and tiny, and they come in 6 different colors / stones, I could say, I guess. And they're like really pretty. I'm not exactly sure the types of stones these are. Like, I know like some of them, like one of them is like tiger's eye, I think, but I'm like not sure like at all. So if you know, comment it down below. It would be a great help to me. Yeah. Next, I got this wire, and it's gold, and I believe it's 22 gauge, but I accidentally ordered memory wire instead of like crafting wire, so it's kind of hardened into like a circular shape, which isn't like what I was anticipating, but I still can use it properly, so I'm not really mad about it, although it is a little harder. So I'd like just to like keep that in mind next time I buy wire, or even you, if you're gonna buy wire, make sure you realize what you're buying and if it's fitting what you actually want to use it for. Last but not least, these. So last but not least, as a little finale, I have this set of beads, and they're seed beads in 15 different colors. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're just so gorgeous. I love them. They have a bunch of different colors, like some of them are even iridescent. Oh my gosh. Some are translucent, and some are just like normal, but like they're so pretty. But I'm really glad I found this. So now the satisfying part is pouring all of the beads inside their little container. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!